One of the challenges with data from your ERP system is that the important information is spread across thousands of tables. Further, it often doesn't make sense without first applying complex business rules, and it generally isn't structured in a way that is easy for business users to analyze. Does that sound familiar to you? Well, here's why that happens. Businesses today have adopted systems and technologies to help them manage repetitive day-to-day activities, whether it's keeping track of valuable customers, managing the company's assets and liabilities, purchasing and tracking inventory, or handling sales orders and invoicing. Many companies have implemented enterprise resource planning applications to help them centralize and manage these key facets of their business. While these systems have been successful in capturing and tracking this business-critical information, they've historically been unsuccessful in presenting the information back to users in the form of valuable insights to help them make critical business decisions on the basis of relevant facts. Here is where business intelligence comes into play. BI solutions have been around for years to help businesses analyze and report on the data generated in their transactional systems. In order for a BI system to sit on top of the complex ERP data, many companies build an enterprise data warehouse with separate data marts for each subject area. But the effort required to design a solid data model and map the ERP data into it can be daunting. Beyond that, once data are in the data mart, they need to be brought to life within the BI tool so users are given a simple, accurate, and consistent way of accessing and using their ERP data. Unfortunately, the complexity of this exercise often translates into the current state sticking around. Data extract requests will continue to be sent to IT, and then analysts will attempt to work their magic with spreadsheets. Simple query tools will continue to be used to answer only the most basic questions about a single subject area, meaning the higher value big questions remain unanswered. And ultimately, important business decisions will continue to be made with inadequate or erroneous information. To accelerate your ability to identify valuable insights from the data trapped in your JD Edwards system, Smartbridge is teaming up with MicroStrategy and Datalytics to offer a pre-built solution capitalizing on the strengths of these two platforms. First, Datalytics' RapidDecision platform is a pre-built data warehouse solution that extracts your JD Edwards or other ERP data and transforms and loads it into pre-built relational data models. The major benefit of buying this capability versus building it is time to value. Instead of spinning up a large multi-month IT project to design, develop, and test the data model and all of the ETL interfaces, the RapidDecision platform can be installed and configured within weeks. This means you can focus your time on using your data, not manhandling it. Once RapidDecision has your JD Edwards data loaded into its data marts, the MicroStrategy Analytics platform seamlessly delivers reports and dashboards that your users need and want. MicroStrategy is one of the leading enterprise-class BI solutions in the market and has strong capabilities in self-service analytics, mobile business intelligence, and predictive analytics. Through the use of its metadata layer, MicroStrategy abstracts the complexity of your JD Edwards data and defines common reusable objects that users can easily drag onto a canvas without having to worry about whether a calculation is correct or how to join it with other pertinent information. MicroStrategy makes the data more usable by standardizing hierarchies, naming conventions, and calculations. Combine this with our collection of pre-built assets, and now you can really accelerate the time to value for your business users. Let's take a look at how MicroStrategy and Datalytics have enabled the general ledger subject area within JD Edwards. By leveraging the RapidDecision solution, data from our JDE environment has been structured into a data model within the GL data mart. This data mart houses information about AP, AR, assets and inventory, sales, and cost of goods sold by GL account, and expenses by category. These are the raw materials typically feeding an income statement and the balance sheet. In MicroStrategy, the metadata layer has been built to represent the appropriate attributes, hierarchies, metrics, and filters that would be used during the creation of a report or dashboard. As an example of the pre-built reports available, we can see the balance sheet, the income statement, and the trial balances versus budget reports. And here is a sample of an interactive dashboard that allows users to not only interact with the income statement, but lets them drill into more detail about a specific account, all from a single dashboard. To learn more about how Smartbridge can help you leverage the MicroStrategy and RapidDecision platforms to extract maximum value from your Oracle JD Edwards investment, please contact us for further details.